Hello everyone, this is Bertina Amy here and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos. And otherwise, welcome back to my channel. I hope you find these videos useful. So from a previous video, I picked up this pack of wooden Seahorse decor from the Dollar Tree. And even though it's intended to be individually hung, I'm actually going to be making this Seahorse into a figurine. And we'll see how this goes. This pack comes with 6 wooden pieces of seahorses, and so I'm just going to be gluing 2 to each other at a time. And while it's drying, I'm just going to have these combination of clothespin, binder clips, things like that, just to keep them closed up so that they seal and glue together well. So from 6 pieces, I went down to 3 pieces, and I'm going to glue 2 of the 3 together. And when I was combining the 2 together, I realized that I had an idea of how to turn this into a figurine so it stands on its own. But unfortunately, it means that I can't add on this additional 3rd piece. So the 3rd piece is going to be a spare. Or we'll see what I can do with that. So I have this big pack of pink tissue paper that looks dirty. I have no idea how it became dirty. Maybe it fell to the floor and I still decided to keep it because I knew I was gonna go ahead and repurpose it anyways, because it doesn't really matter if it's dirty or not. I'm painting over it, so no one's gonna know, except anyone watching this video. All I'll need from this is just some small strips, little small tiny pieces of tissue paper. Well, it doesn't have to be super tiny, but I'm just going to be Mod Podging this onto the front and back of the seahorses. And to get the excess off, I have this small tiny little nail file that I'm going to be using to take it off, and it's working really well for this project. I don't actually own a sanding tool, so I'm just using the nail file. Once both sides have the tissue paper on them and the nail file removing the excess, I'm taking this black chalk paint and painting all over the seahorses. And this is just serving as a base coat for the layers I'm putting on top.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
So the first layer I'm putting on top is this metallic blue paint by Folk Art. Blue sapphire to be exact. And I'm just taking it and I'm painting it all over both sides and the edges of the Seahorse. I really wanted the Seahorse to have texture, so that's what the tissue paper is for, and I'm using various colors to give it some dimension. So the blue sapphire metallic paint is the paint I'm using first. Then I'm going to paint the belly with this Folk Art metallic ice blue paint, just the belly area. Then I'm taking this color shift, Folk Art color shift paint with, like, it's called an aqua flash. It flashes from aqua to blue. It shows up better in person than it does on screen. And that part I'm just doing along the edges of sort of like where the Seahorse spikes are, of like where a horse's mane would be or whatever, the hair. So I'm just going along that edge. And then finally I'm adding this really pretty iridescent sort of like purple paint by Decor Americana. It's called Enchanted Violet. And it's so pretty. I wanted to do various colors because I didn't want to overdo any specific color or have one to kind of take over or cover up the others. You'll notice that the ice blue kind of covers up the blue quite a bit. And in past projects when I've used even the color shift, it really overpowers everything else. And same with the Americana Deco art, but the colors are just so pretty that I wanted to combine them all. Of course, you can use any colors you want and make it totally your own, but hopefully you like this project. I don't have time for this video to be able to do a stand for the Seahorse, but that is going to be next on my list for a future video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.